Summer is coming. It is, I promise it is. Today we're going to make a natural sunscreen that will help protect your skin from the ultraviolet rays while not putting toxic chemicals into our body, because who wants that? Hello, I'm Marcia Vogel with Ray of Hope Essentials, bringing you yet another way to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. To make our sunscreen, we're going to start with some basic ingredients. We're going to use equal parts of coconut oil, cocoa butter, and beeswax. We're going to melt them all together using a double boiler system. Then we're going to you need some containers to put your sunscreen in. You can make them in little like cupcake tins and pop them out, or you can use, these are deodorant containers that I bought online. You can use an old deodorant container that's washed. Just make sure it's BPA free. And then we're going to add the special ingredient, which is zinc oxide. Our SPF factor will come from this non-nano zinc. The non-nano is important. That means it's larger particles, so they're bigger. They will not be absorbed into your skin. They will stay on the surface of your skin and reflect the UV lights back, therefore giving you some protection from those UV rays. That will happen after it's melted and cooled a bit. So I've got about a little over half a cup of coconut oil, and our cocoa butter, and our beeswax. Put that together, put it on the double boiler system, and get it all melted. So you can see we're all nicely melted. We're going to let this cool just a little bit before we add our zinc oxide. While it's cooling, I want to talk about essential oils you could add. So you can leave it plain without essential oils, or if you want to scent it up a little bit or add some extra benefits for your skin or your emotions, you can add essential oils. Peppermint is a nice one. It's very cooling and soothing to the skin, so it can help you keep you cool when you're out in the hot. Lavender is very calming to the skin, calming to the emotions. Frankincense is good for everything. It's the king of oils. You could add that, and it's extremely wonderful for your skin, for your emotions, whatever. Lemon eucalyptus might be kind of fun, combining sunscreen and bug protection. So it's also very good for your skin, and but it will help keep some of the bugs away too if you're in an area that has little buggies too. Copaiba is also soothing to the skin, soothing to the emotions. And spearmint is similar to peppermint with just a little different scent. So you can pick one, you can make a mix. Important thing to remember is no citrus oils. Citrus oils increase your photosensitivity, so they will make you more likely to burn. So no citrus oils in your sunscreen. Okay, so I'm going to add a quarter cup of my non-nano zinc oxide. I'm going to mix that in and whisk it up. Oh, you don't even really need a whisk. This is mixing up nicely. And then I'm going to add a combination of peppermint and spearmint. These should both be nice and cooling to the skin. And add about 5 drops of each. And then we're going to pour it into our containers. I am going to whisk this just a smidge. So I have 4 containers of sunscreen. You can let it cool at room temperature. I did hear one person suggest cooling it in the fridge so it cools faster and has less chance of separating, but it seems like it's sticking together fairly well. So I've had my sunscreen in the fridge for about an hour. It is nicely set up. Not really wearing summer clothes because it's nasty out there, but we are going to call the sun in by using some sunscreen. So just roll that on and rub it in. The coconut oil and the cocoa butter are so nice for your skin. The beeswax gives it some repellent properties. It doesn't make you really white. There is a slight hint of white, kind of just a shimmery. But your skin is soft and soothed, and you're getting some UV protection from the Non-Nano Zinc that stays on top of your skin to reflect off those UV lights. So, smells, you got the cocoa butter smell, the coconut oil smell a little bit, and some peppermint in there also, and some spearmint. So this is really nice. So enjoy. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways you can use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.